A rating?
Like,
well, oh, like a
review?
Yeah, I was just gonna show like, this is $16 at Harbor Freight. But to us, it's a one-time use type of thing. So
in our situation,
don't plan on getting more than that out of it.
Our $300 sprayer seems to not work properly today, so we just went and got a $16 one, which I've used before. The thing is that it's gravity because it's on top. Mine is bottom because I spray so much, you know.
So this would go
like
in
that.
there.
Now I have it. Now I have it up. It seems to work good, you know.
You gonna throw it away after this, or try to keep it just in case it could work again?
You know what? I've bought a lot of these throughout the years, and I used to get insurance on them. Insurance is like...
Oh yeah, they asked me if I wanted it.
Yeah, right?
I said no.
Oh, okay, so you should have got the insurance the first time,
oh.
which is like $6.
Okay.
Or some shit like that. So you get the insurance, you use it once, and it should suck up. You can't clean properly, so they get clogged up really quick. So you go return it and get a new one for $6. But
yeah.
then I think it's only like, be careful when they say
so
warranty is like some type of
so there's no warranty
warranty
though, but you're gonna keep it probably just to like, maybe it could work again.
Nah.
You're gonna throw it away?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not gonna spend time cleaning it. It's not worth it. It doesn't clean properly.
All right. And plus we're shooting oil-based paint.
We're shooting oil-based, so this is really good for oil-based because it's a tip size.
I'm curious to see how this goes.
Normally it should work properly, but other than keeping it, no. Maybe use it once or twice. You gotta clean it, so you gotta spend $20 on a paint thinner.
Dang, that's more than the gun cost.
So you can clean this. Yes. That's
funny.
The reason why.
Yeah.
Yeah. To clean it properly, you gotta spend $20.
So if you have a big can, oh, but you're not gonna use the whole can of it though.
I mean, you gotta clean your cup and then soak this in.
Yeah.
Into something. So you gotta use about a fucking, you know,
yeah,
half of it or some shit like that. So it goes to waste, bro. You want to spend $20 to clean a $16 gun?
No, I mean, well, I
and
mean,
your time.
Well, I mean,
which is gonna take
if it'll work
a good
again,
30 minutes.
If it'll work, keep working.
It does not make any sense.
But if it's not gonna work again,
I mean, you're gonna spend $20 to clean it, and
you could just buy a new one.
You can just buy a new one for $16.
Yeah, that makes sense to me. Yeah, you've convinced me.
One-time use, but let's see how it works. I haven't used one in 3 years since I got that one. What you can do is keep it, bro, for you.
I'm good. I was just curious.